Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll down in order to find the battery and device care. As you can see right here, we've got the device protection, which is for some reason right now turned off, so let's change it. Let's tap on it and tap on turn on. As you can see, we've got the information that your device will scan the issues each time you will install a new app, which is a really good idea because thanks to this you can prevent the viruses. So let's tap on turn on, and right now no threats has been found, but let's tap on scan phone in order to check it deeply. And as you can see, your device will simply scan all of the apps which are currently on this device in order to check and find any kind of malware or the viruses. So just give it time, just wait, be patient, and let it do its job. And as you can see, again, no threats has been detected. We've just successfully checked our device. As you can see, you can check when it was lastly scanned and so on. So basically that's all. This is how to virus scan your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.